Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, got a pretty quick video. Have some carbon fiber mudguards and a carbon fiber insert for the cup holder from Frank's Custom Creations. And if you guys are not familiar with Frank, Frank is the guy that does the IS500 spreadsheet and follows and tracks all of those. I have the spreadsheet for the GSF, the RCF, and the ISF. He has the IS500. And so he also has a business of some carbon fiber upgrades and parts for not just the GSF, but the IS500 and some other cars as well. So anyway, I have we're not gonna install them on this one, we're gonna install them on the blue one, but we're gonna just show you how simple it is. Very quick, very simple. So we'll jump right into it and show you what's all involved, and looks like a really high quality product overall. I'll leave a link in the video description to his website on where you can get them. Not a sponsor, I don't get a dime from it. Just, again, helping out a small business. So let's dive into it. First, the front, you just need a little pry tool and a 10mm. Don't even have to take the wheels off as long as it's a short socket. Pull the plastic covering off of the new mud flap. Put the clips back in. Put the 10mm back in. That's it. Very simple. So the rear comes with a template, and there's actually, you line one of the holes up with an existing grommet there, and then you just poke two holes, and you're going to put the self-tapping screws in those. There is a thicker washer that goes behind the top hole, and there is a thinner washer that goes behind the bottom to sort of keep it away from, or space it out so it's even with the bumper. Very quick and easy install, but you do have to remove the rear wheel in order to do this one. And there's a wide and a thin version. So this is where it sits on the rear and on the front. And so here is the cup holder. Remove the divider, put the cup holder cover in the bottom, and put the divider back in, press it down pretty hard. It's kind of a pressure fit. And that's it. Very simple. So there you have it. Pretty simple install. Protects your bumper from the road rash, the rock chips, any future damage. These sticky tires can definitely do a number to these bumpers and to the rocker panels on these cars. So that's what I've got for you. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you soon.